Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this easy cute butterfly. So let's start. First, to make this, you will need two circles, one of 2.5 centimeter radius and another of 2 centimeter radius. Take the bigger circle and fold it in half like this, and then fold it in half again like this. Now do the same for the smaller circle. Fold it in half and then in half again. Now place the smaller circle on top of the bigger one like this, and then staple it on this line here. Like this. Now should open it here like this, and then the other side also like this. Now do it like this. Like this. And now we should stick the antenna. To make the antenna, take two thin strips of 8 centimeter and roll the top part with a pencil like this, and then the other one. This. Now take a butterfly and apply glue here and here, and then stick it here like this, and the other one like this. Hold it for some time like this. And now we have finished making the cute butterfly. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.